Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to install the Ubuntu on our VirtualBox. So first of all, we need to install the VirtualBox. So directly go to any website and type their VirtualBox and click on download option here, and then you need to choose this option Windows 7 host. Just click on that, or you can choose the stable version of VirtualBox, which is 6.1. this option, old builds. Okay, so we will try with the latest one. So double click it from here as well, and we need to have also ISO file of Ubuntu, so we will install that also once the VirtualBox is installed. If you have already installed the VirtualBox, you can skip the video and forward the video. So we are going into starting points. Click on yes. Okay, you can see C++ 2019 is needed here, so we can go with the stable version, which is 6.0. This option 6.1 Windows host. If you are using the latest window, you will not get any kind of error, so I don't need to install the C++. We can go with this option as well. It's downloaded now. We can just double click it, or we can go to the folder and then double click on it. Click on yes. Next, 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 and yes, install. Okay, so we will untick this, and we need to have the ISO file of Ubuntu, so we can go to the browser and on the search bar we need to type download Ubuntu. And go to the first link. This is the Ubuntu download link. Accept. Okay, and you can choose this option, download Ubuntu desktop. Okay, you will see here the windows like this. You can choose this option, Ubuntu 22.0.4 LTS, or you can choose the latest version here, which is 23.04. okay, so you can choose accordingly. Just you need to click on download option like this, and it's going to download. This is a system requirement, you can see here. Let me go to the download. Okay, it started downloading now. You can see 4.7 GB the file it has. So I have already downloaded the Ubuntu, the latest version 23. So I'm cancelling this process, and let me show you where I have downloaded that. Okay, this is the ISO. You can see Ubuntu. I have already downloaded that, so we need to open the VirtualBox. Double click on that. Okay, I had already made some. So let me remove those. So in order to create the virtual machines of Ubuntu, we need to click on new, then name it Ubuntu, '23 VM, and you can choose the location of the machine's data where it's going to store some data. So I'm selecting here the D drive, double click on it, and I'm making the new folder here. Ubuntu VM. Okay, and selects the folder. Okay, and click on next, and you need to give at least 4 GB to the Ubuntu operating system like this. Okay, next, and at least 10 GB you can see here. Click on create and click on next, next, and I am giving it to the around 30 GB. Click on create, and it's going to mount the all the details. Click on create. Okay, so we need to mount the ISO file of Ubuntu, so we need to go to the setting, go to storage, and go to this empty box option, and then click on here and choose a disk file, and you can choose that option. You can see Ubuntu. Okay, click on open. Once it is mounted, you need to click on OK option here. Okay, click on try or install Ubuntu, hit enter. You can see Ubuntu is starting now. Now you will see preparing Ubuntu option here. Okay, you need to select here the language. You need to select here English, then click on next and click on install Ubuntu option here, and then click on next, and you need to select the keyboard language to English US. Click on next. You can choose accordingly, and I don't want to connect with the internet just now. I'll click on next option, and normal installation, check that option. Click on next and leave it as the first one. It is disk or install Ubuntu option here. Next. Okay, don't worry, just click on next, and you can select your other
region. It will automatically select your time zone here, but you can also drag it or you can manually type it. Click on next. If it is good, now you need to type here the name. So I'm typing here how to fix tech. This is my channel name. Okay, then we need to choose here the password, or you can leave it as blank, but it's not recommended. You should choose the password here. Okay, click on next. You need to uncheck this option that is showing that required to login. Light theme I want. Next. Okay, it will take some time now. So make sure you have enough patience and wait for the process to complete. I'm fast forwarding this video. Okay, click on restart option. It took almost 50 minutes. Now you will see restarting Ubuntu. Now you can sign in. You need to put here the password. Now this is the Ubuntu. So we have successfully installed the Ubuntu or on VirtualBox. We can skip this option. And if you want to change the resolution of it, you can also do that. So hope this video is useful for you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching how to fix tech. And this is the location where you can see the resolution of it. Okay, go to resolution option, display, and then resolution. Okay.